Hello and welcome to another update video about Quant QNT. I have now added a relevant support area for a possible wave 2 pullback. As discussed already in yesterday's video, I said, if we have any indication that it is topped, I'm going to add here a wave 2 pullback area. Now, I cannot promise you yet that it has topped, but I think we are close. We have 5 waves to the upside. Yeah, we can at least count 5 waves up. That doesn't mean the 5-wave move to the upside is definitely complete, yeah. But if we have 5 waves up, then what can we do? We need to be watching for a possible reversal in a wave 2. Now, QNT currently is moving in a little bit of triangle shape there. And I think if we have a break below that last swing low there at $113.60, for me that would be a quite, well, at least reliable signal. It's still an early signal, but still fairly reliable because we will make lower lows and lower highs then, that we are heading to in this wave 2 to the downside, right? Support for the wave 2 is between the 78.6 fib level and the 50% fib level, between $101 and $107.37. And the correction should ideally take place in an ABC correction. I mean, what you can never rule out is something like that we already had the wave A, that the wave B unfolds as a triangle, and then we get a C wave down. But this is a little bit short for an A wave, okay? Typically, the A wave, I mean, again, we can only look at ideal structures, yeah? And this would not be a healthy A wave, but the A wave can react, typically, or often does react to the 38.2 retracement. Can you see we haven't even done that? From that point of view, it's more like more than unreliable. Okay, I mean, again, it could be an ABC structure, yeah, in a larger A wave, but then then we go into a micro level that's typically more than unreliable. So I don't actually want to go there. But the idea is that, yeah, if we break below that last swing low at $113, yeah, 60, $113.60. I think then we have a good signal, or an early but still good signal that the move down has started. Of course, if we break above the Wednesday high, which was here at around about $118, then this wave 1 wasn't finished yet. Okay, the trend is still up in my opinion, but we are now obviously getting more and more setbacks. You can see the sellers are getting stronger. The bulls get a bit exhausted. There's always a heads up that things could be changing. But I would need to see a break below that swing low for confirmation. Until then, I'm also open for another extension to the upside. Bear in mind, they can always extend. But it's more like when you have 5 waves up, then at least we have a first signal that the trend has shifted from a downtrend into an uptrend. I mean, this downtrend has taken like months now. So the touch point at $97 might have triggered the reversal. So we get 5 waves up. As soon as we have them, it doesn't mean it needs to turn around now, but it means now we need to be watching. And if it breaks below that swing low there, that would be a good signal that we are coming down. And the standard support is between $101 and $107.37. If we get into this region, see a reaction there, then we could rally in a third wave higher. And that would be an additional confirmation that we are now in an uptrend if we make a higher low in a wave 2. And yeah, that's my update about QNT. There is not much more to add, but just watch for this triangle. Certainly an interesting triangle shape that, if broken to the upside, would lead to another extension in this current structure. And okay, if we get an extension, where could we go to? So what are the next relevant resistances? So structurally, what do we have? We have this B wave high at $119.25. I mean, that would certainly be one of the next ones. And then a very, very clear wave 4 top at $128.12. Okay, that's my update about QNT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.